Good day, good evening. Today we're going to repair J720 Dios. We're going to change the LCD. This is my first time, so I don't have any idea that if the phone the screen going to be disconnected from top, but it looks like simple. There is that LCD connector, so we'll see just now. I think we have to open the phone completely. All these screws and this plug, I'll take it out just now. Yeah, so this clips comes out and LCD we disconnected. I'm gonna start opening all the screws. I'm gonna pause here so I don't waste time on your data. Once all the screws are out, I remember I have opened a similar phone. I think it was J7. There's a clip here. Once that is gone, I use my nail. I don't use those funny tools. Okay, we're gonna heat it up a little bit so it can come out easily. For that, I'm going to use a heat gun because this LCD is already broken, so I'm not worried that if I'm gonna get any heat patch or not. I'm gonna just heat it up a bit. If you are doing any other repair beside the screen, it has glue, that glue strip sides sticker ones, and also the frame is not metal, it's plastic, so don't heat up from the side more than required. A little bit. If it doesn't open, then heat up again a little bit. See, this is attached with the board stubbornly, so I'm gonna heat up a little bit more. Once the side glue is loose, you can see there this connecting LCD with the board. Gently just pull it out bit by bit. We don't want to create any unnecessary job, so slowly it's separated. You can see that I need to heat up a bit to separate it from the middle chassis, and we'll install the new screen. As I'm taking it out, just remember one thing: this earphone jack and your charging pin is separate. I think this is a earphone jack in the front home button and back button that is connected with the flexi, I think. So when you're opening from here, just be extra vigilant. Front it's coming out, but I don't want to pull it out yet. Need to loosen it from here. As you can see that this thing was glued onto this glass. Now this came out in pieces because it was already shattered a lot. If you want to change the home button, that is there. Your menu button and back flexi. Charging pin is, and I think it's on with the earphone jack. Charging pin is on board. So yeah, let's remove this now. I'm going to heat again. It is out. Now we're going to put the new screen. Screen that I got had a black, it's a black color, so I purchased a black home button also to match it with. And there is a new screen. Before we remove the plastic and warranty stickers, I just want to make it sure that it's working. Then I'm going to start assembling it. I'm going to pause it to fit it a bit. It's working, as you can see. I'm going to start closing it now. It has a password on it, so I don't want to do test for this and that. It looks like that it's working. It was working just now. And because I need to change it to match the color, so what I did was that, sorry about that, I didn't notice that I wasn't recording. So there was one screw black here, there is one small clip here. So when you pull this thing out like that, and if you have removed that black screw, board will separate from the middle chassis, and then we can see that this home button is connected through this flexi here down here. With this right above the charging pin. So you have to disconnect that first, then remove the board, and you can peel it off. If you have heated it up, it's good. If not, then just loosen it up from the little bit heat. This is the new home button. Actual button that you're pressing, I think it's on the same flexi, so just be extra vigilant when you're removing it. I'm going to start removing now. It is separated in one piece. I'll keep it aside. I might use it in the future for somebody else. I'm not gonna waste more time. I've changed that to black. After that, just I'm going to put a little bit of the double side tape here, and then onto the side of the frame as well, where it's holding your back cover. Once the board is in, put your home button. Your other flexi, and you can put back cover back and screw it all around. Put a double-sided tape here onto the corner or edges of this thing, and once it is done, put the screws back in that small plate, the one that is holding the cover of that. We are ready to go then after that. Thank you very much. If you like it, please share it and subscribe, and if you do not like or something that I must do more, please comment, share my video, like it and comment also, then I'll see how I can improve more than that. Thank you very much. Bye for now.